In this episode of Laser Master, we take a look at how the fiber laser handles leather.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
I'm going to change the text to something longish because the length of the belt lends itself to it. I'm going to change the hatch to 0.01 millimeters to fill the text in. But I'm going to make radical changes in the parameter settings. 2 loop counts, speed 150 and power 80. Right, let's see. Preview with F1. That's fine. And now press F2. And off it goes. It's slow because I made the speed 150. I wanted to burn the letters deep into the leather. So yeah, it is going to take a while with these exaggerated settings, but it is clear that the fiber laser most definitely can be used for engraving on leather.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.